Yeah, good morning. When the people come for liposuction, they have a lot of misconception about the liposuction. Many people they come and ask me, is the liposuction is the best procedure for a weight loss procedure? No, not at all. So liposuction is not a weight loss procedure at all. Ideally, it is meant to remove the contour, to maintain the contour. By removing the stubborn fat, we can maintain the contour. That is the purpose, where that is indicated for liposuction. Not at all, because in obese persons the purpose is weight reduction only. The purpose is not reduce the contour at all or not to shape the body. So there ideally they should go for a bariatric surgery. It is not like that. It is not like that. It is meant only for the younger persons, or it is not. It's a procedure that can be done for every category of people, from young age to old age. See, one thing you should understand very clearly. Liposuction works on a very sound principle. That is the basis it came into existence. If there are 1000 fat cells in our body, for example, if you do a liposuction, we will remove 500 cells and then the remaining 500 cells will be there. For lifelong, the 1000 cells will be reduced to 500 cells. It never will again become 1000 cells. Yes, of course, you should understand very clearly that it is a procedure not taken very lightly. It has to be assessed properly. It has to be done by an experienced person, and it has to be done in a good setup. You have to plan. If it is planned properly and assessed properly in the preoperative stage and discussed with the patients in a good sense, then it is a very safe procedure. So it all depends, If you do a liposuction to a small area like arm, like that, you can take 2 days to 3 days test and you can back to normal to your work. Suppose if you are doing liposuction to multiple areas, like 2-3 areas we are able to, then you may require more rest, and then you may require 5 days to 6 days rest, and then you can be back to work. These are some of the common myths people used to have and then get confused like that. So that is why I want to bring clarity on these issues. That is the purpose I discussed with these issues. Thank you.